Hello, my friends. Today I want to talk about the eastern pond hook. This is a common North American dragonfly found near ponds and still waters. Mature males are powder blue, while females and immature males are bright green with black banded abdomens. These powerful predators hunt flying insects like mosquitoes, flies, moths, and also even other dragonflies. They consume between 30 and over 100 mosquitoes daily. At night, adult dragonflies find shelter under leaves, branches, rocks, where they remain inactive and out of sight. They are diurnal, meaning they are not active during the day. They will hide to sleep and recover their energy.